Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop getting email notifications when a ticket is assigned to you in HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. These emails can pile up fast, especially if you're part of a busy support or sales team. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to update your notification preferences. In the top right corner of your HubSpot screen, click your profile picture, then select Profile and Preferences from the dropdown. This opens your personal account settings. From the left-hand menu, click Notifications. This is where HubSpot controls every type of alert you receive: email, desktop pop-ups, and mobile notifications. Now scroll down until you find the Tickets section. This area controls everything related to ticket updates, assignments, and status changes. Look for the option that says Ticket assigned to you. Next to it, you'll see separate toggles for email, desktop, and mobile notifications. To stop the email alerts, simply turn off the email toggle. The change saves instantly, so there's no save button to click. As soon as the toggle is off, HubSpot will stop sending email notifications whenever a ticket is assigned to you. If you still want to be notified without filling up your inbox, you can leave the desktop or mobile notifications turned on. That way, you'll still see real-time alerts inside HubSpot or on your phone, but your email stays clean. You can come back to this settings page anytime if you want to turn the emails back on or adjust other notification types. HubSpot gives you full control over exactly how and where you receive updates. And that's it. That's how to stop email notifications when a ticket is assigned to you in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. It's a small setting, but it makes a huge difference in staying focused without constant email interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.